Hey geeks, welcome to the Geek. Welcome to the very next video on overview of Anaconda. In our previous video, we saw the installation and setup of Anaconda, and this video will help you know more about the theoretical aspect of Anaconda. We'll be covering topics like Conda, Navigator, Package Manager, Standalone Programs, Environment Manager, and alternatives for Anaconda. What is Conda in Anaconda? Basically, Conda comes inside Anaconda. It is a free open source software program for package and environment management, which is designed by Anaconda originally. The symbol of Conda is represented at the right side of your screen. Conda will help you manage all the tools using which you can easily code using Python. What is Navigator in Anaconda? Navigator is a desktop GUI or graphical user interface included in the Python Anaconda distribution. You can see at the right of your screen to see how the Anaconda Navigator actually looks like, how the GUI actually looks like. It provides user-friendly way where you can make use of things related to your data science or any development environment projects, which is again used instead of using the command line commands. Scientific packages. Anaconda comes with the preloaded packages of about 1500 plus, which is again essential for scientific purposes, data science and machine learning. To name a few of the scientific packages that Anaconda holds are NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, SciPy, TensorFlow. Please check the right side of your screen to see much more scientific packages. Standalone programs in Anaconda. Anaconda comes with the standalone programs, to name a few of them: Jupyter Notebook, Spider, and so on. Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application that allows the creation and sharing of documents containing live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative texts. Spider, on the other hand, is an open source integrated development environment useful for scientific programming in Python. It is also bundled along with Anaconda distribution. The symbol of Jupyter and Spider are present at the right of your screen. Environment setup in Anaconda. Basically, Anaconda provides an environment setup, meaning you can work in different environment with different versions of Python and different scientific computation tools. Say, check the example on the right of your screen. We have environment A and environment B. A works for web development and B works for data science project. We have different versions of Python included as well and different scientific computation tools included as well. This gives us a separate space, isolated space to manage different versions and dependencies. This is very much helpful when a person is working on multiple projects and has multiple different dependencies and package versions. Alternatives for Anaconda. Every tool will have an alternate. Hence, Anaconda also does. When we spoke about the environment in Anaconda, where it provides isolated spaces, similarly, an alternative for environment in Anaconda, if you do not want it, is virtual env. Virtual env also behaves in the similar way how environment in Anaconda behaves, providing an isolated space for different projects with different versions and dependencies. Just like how you saw Conda, where you have installed packages, the other popular version is pip. Pip offers users to help navigate and download different versions of tools. Hence, environment and Conda in Anaconda can be replaced with virtual env and pip. Thank you so much for watching this video. To get the very next virtual trip and tour on Anaconda platform, stay tuned for our next video. Like, share and subscribe the channel The Geek.